Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another really cool battle. So this is a 1953 bronze Tabby Leslie S5T. So this horn has a two-piece 25 bell and a two-piece 31. Now it's going to go up against a early 50s Leslie S3L bronze Tabby. So it has a two-piece 25 and a two-piece 31 also. So 3 chime versus 5 chime. Now the 5 chimes may be a little louder, but this is a really strong S3L, so let's see what you think. So both these horns, like I said, they have bronze Tabby power chambers. They've all been remachined and redone, so everything's fresh. And actually both these horns have all Swedish make Tabbies also. So those are a little bit of an older style Tabby. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think about this set. Pretty cool battle. So this is the Leslie S5T bronze Tabby versus the Leslie S3L bronze Tabby.